Guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl look busted up. That's what this video is for. We about to get back cute, okay? Y'all, I just woke up. My voice still a little bit hoarse. It's also raining outside, so I was like, rain always puts me down, but it also is a really soothing sound. So I'm like, what color I'm in the mood for? Every time it rains, I like to wear blue. But looking at my purse right now, this one right here, y'all, I'm kind of in the mood for burnt orange. I don't know why, and I really just messed this up over here. I don't know why. I love red. I love orange. Y'all think we should do it with this hair color? I think I'm gonna go with orange. So y'all, we got stuff to do. I arched the brows there, y'all. I was looking like, what's that little thing out the Lorax? His eyebrow. Oh my god. I literally had to like cut them. Like they were so thick and ugly. And I still gotta bleach the hair again. I bleached it already like last week. So I got stuff to do. Also, I want to show you guys this real quick. My sister really hooked me up with like lip gloss. She know I love lip gloss. I was like, thank you. These are my favorite lip glosses, y'all. I get them from Ulta, and I always get clear or pink. So yeah, they're like like almost $4, but extreme plump. A little tingle at first, but it's amazing. I have to get into this makeup tutorial, y'all, because I'm ready to get cute. I've been kind of feeling down, trying to figure out my life, and you know, school started soon, so let's get into it. Okay, y'all, look at the hair. I look so tired. This doesn't make no sense. Okay, let's get into eyebrows because I'm ready to just start. I gotta make my face look good. So y'all, I'm still on my light brows right now. They need to be bleached because let me zoom in for you guys so y'all can see what I'm talking about. They grow in so fast. I was arching the heck out of these things, and I got a scar on my eye right here because I can't stop blinking hard, and that's what happens. So I need to calm that down. So let me go and help you do these brows because this is gonna take a while. Okay, y'all, so I just got through my eyebrows. It's actually amazing how different your whole look and like how your eyebrows can change your whole look. I cleaned them up, made them thinner. That's it. That's crazy. I always be amazed. So I'm gonna be using my Trending in Tokyo palette. I got this from BH Cosmetics a while ago, y'all, and it still look like this. And I use these colors a lot. Like I like dug into this, the red one. It's just amazing. I swear eyeshadow lasts so long, y'all. So I'm gonna be mixing the orange and the red. I'm trying to see. I think I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna mix all three because I don't have a really good dark orange. So to get this burnt orange or burnt red, burnt orange, that orange color, I have to mix orange and red, okay? So I think I'm gonna do red first because that's the darkest. And then I'm gonna put red on me, orange on top, y'all. Let me fix the mirror. Y'all, I have been just like, oh my god, I've been like nervous to start school. But like, my first class is on the 18th, so I got enough time. The scariest thing though is that like I graduate in May, y'all. I'm also looking at internships now, so I got 3 to apply for. I'm actually applying for them at the Smithsonian Museum, y'all. Oh my god, it's like exciting to think about. So I'm like, hope I get it. And they had a lot of them on there, so I'm applying to 3 that I saw. It's just a really good opportunity to get some experience. I'm gonna go in, that was the color Fashion from the Trending in Tokyo. I'm gonna put the color Trendsetter on there because it's like a lighter orange, and then I'm gonna do the color Sushi. But yo, I'm so excited about, like, I was thinking the other day, I was like, you know what? I need to like, it's crazy, look how different that is. I was thinking, I want to do, I obviously want to do research and stuff, but I did want to take a break. But I was like, I still want to do like an internship though. So while I'm saving my money to figure out my life, I was like, I can easily do that because it's during the summer. And so I'm looking at that, and that's in DC, obviously, Smithsonian. So yeah, a lot of stuff I'm trying to figure out. Since my mom is moving, I'm gonna be with her till I get my life together. I'm not gonna be with her that long. I'm gonna give myself a deadline, because I'm trying to leave this country and, you know, trying to figure out my life, y'all. So I know I think she's moving back to Georgia. I did not want to go back to Georgia, but I was like, I gotta save some money, so I'm gonna be with her. But she knows, she know. As somebody say, what is TT gonna do? She say she want to leave this country. I'm getting out this country. I'm actually working on getting my dual citizenship somewhere. So that's gonna be the fun of it, y'all. I'm not staying in America. I'm not staying here. I just don't want to stay here. I'm like miserable here, and I ain't been nowhere. That's what's funny. But it's really this is a really dangerous country. I don't think people talk about it. We all know it. Every country is dangerous, but It's not. I'm not even wanting. I'm not even wanting to leave because of that. The main reason. Let me tell you. Okay. The main reason I want to leave the States is because with my degree in anthropology, I got to get my PhD in it, and I'm actually looking at a grad school in another country. But at the same time, I have one here that I would like go to, which is George Washington University in DC. They have a great anthropology program. Also because they partner with the Smithsonian, so there's a lot of opportunity there. But like, well, not but like, and also. There's one in Canada I talked to in McGill University, but they don't have what I'm looking for. They have a good program, but I don't think they do paleo anthropology like bones. So unfortunately in America, I think the best one is the one in DC because they have the Smithsonian. It's like so much freaking internships and experience you can get with them, jobs. But I don't want to live in DC. That's what's crazy. My life is I'm trying to fix it, y'all. So like, I want to go out the country because there's more what I could do with research out there with anthropology, with researching over in the UK area. But it's like, I was thinking about getting my dual citizenship there. It's still on the list. It's still on the list. But there's another place like my dream place. I think if y'all seen the video, I talked about it. But yeah. So just trying to figure it out, and I think my head been hurting. I was like, I graduate, and then like that's scary. It's like really scary trying to figure out what you're gonna do. Look at this color. I think I'm good. I like that. I'm gonna blend this out. I feel like I was just talking, y'all, but this is like my life right now, trying to figure it out. It's crazy just because like I'm literally about to graduate and I feel like January is about to be over. Anyways, how cute is this color though? That made me in a good mood. The orange is like so freaking pretty. That's why I kind of went for like a burnt orange because my hair in like this color is like a match made in heaven. Okay, y'all, so I have my glow palette, and I am going to take the shimmer red. It's like a shimmer red. I'm going to put it on my lid. I needed something. I really, really wish I had did I really say Willy? I wish I had a shimmer orange, but I do not. But this is like a cream color. I'm just filling this in. Okay, y'all, now we got this color popping. Look, I put it, why did I just say popping? Like, I'm so, like, old. Oh, my God. Who says that in the 20th century, 21st century? God, it's just getting worse. So, y'all, I put it on my eyes. Look at this. It's so cute. It looks, okay, the color was, like, a more of a shimmer orange red. That's why I use it, and I end up putting them, like, on the, like, full lid. It look amazing. So, now we're going to go in with liner, and I think I'm going to do, I'm running out of liner. Y'all, I got to buy some more. So I'm gonna do my liner and I'm gonna do black eyeshadow with it, okay, y'all, because I need to buy me some more. Okay, let's go in with the liner. Y'all know some, it's so funny because it takes me so long to do eyeliner. I mess up, but then I accidentally look up and then I get it on the eye color. But this didn't take that long, surprisingly, and I was kind of scared because I didn't I had to get the eyebrow brush after this, and it wasn't in front of me. Terrifying. Okay, y'all, so we going into that foundation. I still got my matte foundation. I need to get some new. Y'all, I really do need to try a new foundation. I'm just really afraid. You know, I don't play about foundation. People, it's just not, I don't know. I know it's a lot of makeup foundations. This looks so good, too. I know it's, there's a lot of foundations, but, like, I be doing my research. I hear stuff, and then I don't want to change it. I've been using Maybelline Fit Me foundation since I was in high school, y'all. Okay, I wanted to show y'all. This also just shows you how easy, like, look how good foundation is. Like, I have dark circles. I had them for, like, my whole life for some reason. They got darker as I got older. And I put so much stuff on my face, y'all, and it just won't go away. I eat bananas. I'm like, this freaking potassium, I don't know. I'm going to a dermatologist again because I'm like, I need something. But, like, look how, like, easy it is to, like a full, like, a side of the face with foundation and without. Like, it's actually amazing what foundation can do. So, yeah. I'm all for like doing concealer first. I never do concealer first. Well, I used to, but I did hear that's a good hack. So I said I was going to start doing it. I just forgot. But it's just amazing like how good foundation is. You can easily just go with foundation. Like I can't just wear concealer out because it doesn't do much because I have dark circles. But like foundation would definitely do it. Is it weird I'm like watching Final Destination while I'm editing? I don't know. I can't stop watching the movie. Is that like an omen for things to come? Ooh, I hope not, girl. Shut up. Anyways, y'all, doing coverage for concealer. I used the colors Toffee and Fawn. I went back to Toffee. I was using Suede at first, and I was using Toffee. Then I went to Suede. Now I'm back to Toffee because that color is like to die for. It's a good tan. If y'all want a good coverage, Pro LA Girl Concealer from Ulta, $5.49. It's the best coverage, and you don't even have to use that much to get like a full coverage. That's what's up. I'm gonna go in with my powder and just set this stuff. I'm still not using that baking. Like I'm not baking my face, y'all. I have some baking powder. That's so funny to say it like that, but that's what you do when you bake your face. I have it, but I'm just not doing that right now because I think I put enough powder on my face. You don't have to be so technical to do makeup, y'all. Maybe if I had my own makeup company, I'll do it. I'm just not doing it right now. Okay. So I'm going to go in and contour the outsides of my face, though. But, y'all, back to what I was saying about my life. Oh, my God, y'all. I think it's so crazy. When you're in school, just even knowing, like, that it's so much to look forward to. I'm like, I got this degree. I plan on using it. But, like, I did want to take a break. But I'm like, geez, it's like, I feel like, I don't know why I feel like it's like a time limit on everything. And it really should not be. You can easily go back to school whenever you want. I can easily go to grad school, like, later on. But, like, I wish I was just, like, in my field, y'all. Like, that's all I want. I wish I was just in my field. Like, research. Okay, y'all. So, now I'm gonna go on and I'm gonna do my under eye because I need something under here. I'm gonna take whatever's left on here with that burnt orange and I'm gonna put that under my eyes. I'm also gonna, you know what, never mind. I was like, I wanted to mix a dark color with it, but I don't feel like it. I think I'm okay. Yeah, I think I'm still mix it darker, like a dark brown. No, I'll be okay. I'm gonna leave it. I don't have a eyeliner, like a pen for this, so I just use my powder, y'all. A lot of hacks, you can easily do those. And just hold it down with your brush so you don't get your handprints on your face, because I used to do that. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my blush. Need something pink on this face. And I just got this blush. This is Essence. I just got it from Ulta. It was like $3. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with a little highlighter, y'all, for my nose. Yo, all my highlighters done like broke off. Oh my God. Like I be dropping these palettes. It's kind of funny. I be dropping them and they just literally fall off. I'm like, how? How's that possible? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my face off camera, mascara, lashes, lip gloss, put a top on, hair, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. And this is the finished look, guys. How cute is this? It's actually cuter than I thought. I just put some mousse and some eco gel on my hair, y'all, because I gotta cut it. But from the beginning, from what I was looking like, I look good now. The power of makeup. Let me stop. No, seriously, I love it. I got old lashes on. I still ain't new year and I got new lashes. But y'all, I can't wear them because, let me show y'all, hold on. It's these right here. They're so cute. I hope y'all can see them. They're so cute, but like they just sit up. So then I cut them and I was like, okay, I might have to use my eyebrow curler on them. Anyways, I got the white gloves on too. So yes, I love how this turned out. Let's fix the lighting. Yes, yes, yes. The hair is so cute though with the spiky though in it, y'all. So this is it. I have to add a little like another mole. This is a fake one. This is real. And my mole over here is real. It's like covered with makeup though. But yeah, I should be making my moles more prominent. Let me see. Okay. So yes, this is a look, guys. I love how it turned out. Let me do a zoom in for y'all for the eyeshadow. Really simple eyeshadow, and it's just such a cute color, y'all. Yes, 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 yes. I can't snap, but So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got reactions to do in a minute, y'all. So I was like, might as well record my makeup routine. So, because I needed one. It's been a while since I've done one. Got to get back into them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I'm Green. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.